I'm a man and those are dogs up there, and we're going for a walk. We're going for a walk. Come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, Harry, come on, come on, come on. Hurry up, Harry, come on. We're going for a walk. We're going for a walk. Man Walks Dogs, episode 37. Just don't rush through that until we get. Am I having her again?
Yeah, it's a bit sketchy.
Yeah. I did think you were going to have a handful there with the four little dogs having a play fight, a chase. Looked like a primo bulldog. I saw. Yeah, they're very protective or something. Yeah, looked very.
Quite old.
I'm not sure about age, but a couple of little dogs left. Particularly little one chasing his stick. And a little labradoodle. Oh yeah, you're right. You can say hello. Say hello, darling. It's okay. He'll be friendly with kids. Hey, it's alright. It's okay. Come on, out of the way. There you go. He's that's proof she's good with kids, huh? Hey, what are you barking about? The little one tripped over and yelped. You think that's a barking matter? No. Shush, calm down. Yeah, dogs and pups. Ah. Hey. Oh, this is a protest now. Hey! What are you barking about? Huh? What are you barking about? Nothing, exactly. Oh, he's come round now, little boy. Hey, no. Ugh. Shush. You answer the question what you're barking about, and then you've got a case, darling, but you haven't got a case. I'm telling you now. Huh? Yeah.
Yeah, he's called Spot, but we don't think that's a very good name.
So I'm filming for the foster carers, so provide footage of how they are with kids, how they are with like puppies and other dogs and what have you, socialising, how they are on the lead, all sorts, you know. Yeah. How antisocial they are. Yeah, we've only been doing it a couple of weeks. Yeah, they're nervy with she's nervy with strangers. Oh right.
He now works for the local. He does like seminars and stuff.
Okay, brilliant. Wow. Yeah, I stick the videos in a group chat, and that's got all experienced foster carers in there, and behaviourists and vets and all some groomers, all sorts. So, hey, do you want to have a conversation? Okay. Right. These are from the Biggies League, but it's Foster Line is the group chat, and I think there's other charities and shelters and whatever involved. Hey.
Come on then.
Noisy. Shush. I'll stand between you and the thing that's bothering you. Oh, yeah, I'll move her on. Poor thing's getting overwhelmed there, I think. Anyway, good luck with the lead. Don't know if you could hear that for all the racket, but yeah, that little labradoodle pup he's getting used to lead training, and there's a bit of a mission trying to get the harness on him every time so he's on the collar lead, but then there's complaining and protesting, as you saw. Yeah. Got here. Hey.
Oh, I'm not missing out with this one.
Oh yeah. It's got a couple of rescues here. She's been kicking off down there. She might start barking in a minute. That's it. That's better. That's good, darling. No, no. No. Hang on. You can, yeah. That's it, yeah, well done. Hey, 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 hey. Not you as well. You've been a good boy. Come on, let's just take him away. Come on.
Come on, good boy.
Yeah. So because she's kicking off, you thought you better back her? Huh? Showing us up.
You own the park now?
Yeah, yeah. Oh dear. Right. Never know what you get when you walk in here. Other than a nice variety of doggies. That's right. There'll be plenty of episodes in here. Because the walk might be the same, but the outcome certainly isn't. Especially with rescues. Yeah, this is the first morning walk, although it's only 9 o'clock, it's not like crack of dawn or anything. Post her breakfast, he was off his. Didn't eat, he refused to eat, or didn't want to eat a few days ago as well, bless him. He was eating grass and weeds in the garden, so I wanted to have got doggies over there as well. We'll probably wrap this up before we get to them, so we don't have another few minutes of her barking. Yeah, he's on a bit of a. He wasn't even that up for walking, bless him. He's not having a great day today, but he's at, they're at. Well, this afternoon we will have had him a couple of weeks. I'm filming in mid-February. I know this is late April or something like that. This episode will be out. And he's had bad days or bad parts of days, and then perked up later or what have you, or perked up the next day. So it's not a smooth process. You can't guarantee that every time it's going to be brilliant. Like with her, she's been great with some dogs, and then decided that was the most prolonged barking at another dog I've seen from her. But that's where we're at with the wind today. Still getting gusts and stuff. So hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully you could hear the conversation, because Mr. Man knew some dog fosterers that had been in the game a long time and are now doing seminars and what have you, and teaching us sort of stuff we're kind of learning on the go, but we're experienced dog handlers and or dog people. So there's not. Got a couple of dogs there. Think about it, don't. That's it. Better. Good girl. There you go. You don't have to kick off with everyone. Good. That's a couple of beagles, was it? I can see. One beagle and a little terrier type. I can't see from the back. Got a Jack Russell maybe. It's got a bit to the tree, but we've been on about edge frames all the time. Love trees. As you might notice, I always love that one from Susie's days with its kinky trunk. Kinky trunk. And go through bit of 3D for you. Then we got Mr. Man coming in with a little golden retriever. I'm going to wrap it up here. She's ended on a good note before she's noticed the other doggy. The other doggy's noticed them. I think he's waiting for us. Go around the corner then. Alright.